Good day, everyone. My name is GRP Barrera from Block 3C. My topic is research instrument. What is exactly a research instrument? A research instrument is a tool used to collect, measure, and analyze data related to a specific research subject. These instruments are commonly used in social science, health science, and education to gather data from patients, staff, teachers, and students. The choice of instrument depends on the research methods and the type of data required. When we talk about research instrument, we are talking about the tools we use to collect data, the sophisticated net we cast to capture information. The choice of a tool depends entirely on the question we're trying to answer. Let's look at three powerful examples of research instruments. Number one is qualitative research. Qualitative research, we use them to study the impact of cultural identity on literature, specifically by taking what authors from diverse backgrounds. The characteristic of a good research instrument, a reliable and valid research instrument is essential for collecting data appropriate to the research question. It should align the research aims, objectives, and questions, and effectively test the study hypothesis. The instrument should be free from biased data collection and have clear instruction for proper use. I give you the examples of research instrument. Number one, quantitative research. Quantitative instruments are designed to collect measurable data that can be analyzed using statistical methods. They typically feature standardized procedures to ensure consistency across all participants. The purpose of this is to collect standardized information from a large number of people efficiently and cost effectively, often to identify patterns, frequency, and correlation between variables. And the second is qualitative research. Qualitative instruments are flexible and often ended, designed to gather rich, deep, and contextual information to understand meaning, experience, and perspective. The purpose of this is to collect rich, nuanced data on a person's thoughts, feelings, experience, and motivation.